Maxim presents their MAX98390, a boosted Class D amplifier with integrated dynamic speaker management, or DSM. This high-efficiency smart amplifier features an integrated boost converter, integrated DSM, and FET scaling for higher efficiency at low output power. The maximum boost converter output voltage is programmable from 6.5 to 10 volts in 0.125 volt increments from a battery voltage as low as 2.65 volts. The boosted supply efficiency delivers up to 6.2 watts at 10% THD plus N into a 4 ohm load. Thermal and other status data can read from the I2C interface, and patented active emissions control circuitry minimizes EMI and eliminates the need for output filtering found in traditional Class D devices. Applications include IoT devices, notebook computers, smartphones, toys, and more.